Hey lovely people, welcome back again. Today I'm just going to showcase how I normally do some cleaning in my kitchen, and then from there at the end of the video we are going to have a simple nice recipe for a sweet meal. So stay tuned and let's do this together. Just to explain on what I normally do, first I scrub my sink with steel wool, and then I go in with the sponge, and then I thoroughly rinse it with clean water, and I wipe the remaining water. Since we are here, let's talk about something. Why do we do cleaning, or why do most of the ladies love cleaning? Speaking on my behalf, I love cleaning because this is something that satisfies me. I cannot stay in a dirty environment. That is one thing. I cannot stay in an organized environment. That is another thing. So I love cleaning. Like, cleaning to me, it's self-care, and it makes my day bright, but not all the time. I always have that energy to clean. At times my energy is always zero, but I pick up each and every piece that I have and just do those random house chores that are pending or that are wanting, like washing utensils. That is something you can't do away with it. You just have to do it, because I can't bear seeing a sink that has full utensils, and I can't bear cooking in a kitchen that has dirty utensils or everything is everywhere. So yeah, that is why I normally clean. Like, even the people I stay with, they are like, wow, you are always cleaning, you are always neat, you are always organized. And I tell them, yeah, that is me, because that is the environment I always look forward to living in. So guys, what do you do, or what is that thing that you can't do without? Let's share. cabinet, those utensils, and my spices jar. I love the outcome. Everything turned out clean, neat, and looking good. So later in the evening, I decided to prepare some matoke, waru, and pork stew. I have already pre-boiled my pork, and I have already also prepared my matoke and waru, as you can see. So I'll be using chopped onion and tomatoes in both meals. So guys, just stay tuned and see what I'm doing. For the spices, that is salt, that is Royco, wet and dry, and then that is curry powder, also from Royco, and those are cubes, Royco cubes, and that is Royco mchuzi mix.